In this video, we'll give you instructions on how to swap out the inline GFCI of your Active 3.0. First things first, grab a Phillips screwdriver. Start by loosening all the 8 Phillips screws on each side of the GFCI housing's back edge. They don't need to be fully removed, just loosened until they're moving freely. Next, find the metal cord anchors at the top and bottom of the GFCI. Remove both screws from each anchor and place them to the side. Now, go ahead and loosen the gold, white, and green terminal screws on both the top and bottom. Before you pull the cords out, take note of the orientation. You want the red button facing toward the plug end of the cord. Once you've got that down, pull the cords free from the old GFCI. Grab your new GFCI and open it up. Unscrew the metal cord anchors on either side, and make sure the GFCI is oriented correctly with the red button facing the plug. Now, on both sides of the GFCI, push your black, white, and green wires back into their matching terminals and tighten those screws down. Make sure the small metal U-shaped clip on either side is placed back on the plastic lip under the cord, and screw back in the metal cord anchors. Adjust the gaskets to ensure they are snug and flush to the housing. Finally, place the plastic housing back over the internals and finish up by putting those screws back in around the edge. Once you've done this on both sides, you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@activeproducts.com.